Good morning, Kodak. Is that... There's Sam. Hi, Sam. Yes, Kodak. Good morning. I'm here. I'm sorry I'm late. I slept in. I'm only a half hour late. Where's Mims? Hi. Yes, honey. Yes, baby. Yeah, honey. I know. Good morning. I have groceries. Yes, dear. Good morning. Hi. How are you? I'm sorry I'm late. Where's Mims? Where's Mims? What's the matter, Kodak? I know. I'm coming. Where's Mims? Mims! I know. I heard you. Hi. Hi, baby. Good morning, sunshine. Hello. Are you hungry? You want some breakfast? Yes. Good morning, my love. But did you think I wasn't going to show up? Oh, that's not true. I just slept in. Good morning. Good morning, my beautiful. How are you? Good morning, Kodak. Good morning, Mims. Hi, baby. Good morning, sweetheart. How are you this morning? Yeah? Good morning, sweetheart. Are you hungry for breakfast? Yeah. You want some breakfast? Good girl. Oh, there's Sam. Hi, Sam. Hi, Sammy. Sam. There you are. Good morning, Mims. Everybody's got their dry food with a wet topping. It's Mims. That's Kodak. Whoa. Hi, Sam. Hi, babies. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, Sam. Hi, baby. Hi, sweetheart. Hold on. Oh, my hands are full. Hi, Sequel. Hi, baby. You hungry? Yeah? Hold on. I'll be right there. You hungry, baby boy? Let's get you fed. That's baby boo-boo or Sequel. Hi, honey. Bye, honey. Okay, cuties. This is Chio and Sam, their brother and sister. They've both been fixed, but they live here on the streets, and I feed them every day. Hi, babies. Hi, cutes. It took 2 years to get Chio to warm up to me, and Sam was immediate. Hi, baby. Oh, yes. Cute. Oh, I know. Hi. Good morning. Let's get you fed. Hi, babies. You guys have a good day, okay? You got your crunchies and you're wet. Bye, babies. I love you. Have a good day. Bye, Sam. Bye, baby. Oops. Hi, Mims. Hi, baby. Good morning, Mims. Mims was a pet before she made it to the streets. But I love her. She's doing the best she can. The pound is for some reason fixing cats and then pets also instead of complete strays, and just putting them out on the streets, which is, I guess, one way to keep the kitties alive. But pets who end up as strays don't understand what they did wrong. Mims is a sweet little girl, and there's Kodak. I've been feeding Kodak for 5 years, and Mims less than a year. Oh, baby girl. Anyway, great potentials for CAT-itude CAT-fe. Oh yeah. I love you. Okay, Mims, say hi. Okay. She loves to be loved. Hi, baby girl. I know. I'm working on it.